Something came in the mail today, and it's from No Legs, No Problem TV. Maybe. Tell you what, when Neil packs up a package, he packs up a package. That boy isn't messing around. There wasn't a card in there. Yay! Oh. Looks like a little guitar. Let's get this opened up. Teasing you. Oh wow, I got a sticker too. Thank you, Neil. Oh. A card. Oh, and another sticker. Thank you, Neil. Wow. I know Neil did a video, wow, showing me how to use this thing. I'm gonna have to go back and watch it a couple of times, I'm sure. But yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna get this hooked up on my phone and start taking videos. Yay! I did some painting in the RV last night. Let's see, where are you? Hi. I did some painting in the RV last night. I did a video that I think comes out tonight or maybe tomorrow morning because I had to do some plumbing work. Ended up tearing up a job to fix a job or to do a job. So instead of ordering more tile to fix what I had to screw up, I just painted. So that should come out tonight or tomorrow. But I haven't taken a video of the work that I did, the painting and all that, because I was waiting for this gimbal. So I'm going to get it set up and I'm going to start taking movies. All right, thanks again, Neil. Really appreciate it. Guys need to go check out No Legs, No Problem TV. This guy's got a great channel. Anyway. Okay, finally got it hooked up. Took me a little bit, but it seems to work pretty cool. Let's go outside and play. It turns around all by itself. Now I can walk out to the TrailManor and not make you guys sick to your stomach. How cool is that? You can pan around the yard. And you can listen to the train while we do it. Wow. Go up and see the sky. I'm learning. You guys are my guinea pigs. Pretty cool. Pan around. We have a spa. Let's see. Turn it around. A little slow on the turnaround, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, okay, I just want to show you I got it. I'm using it and see how it works. So I'll be dinking around with it some more throughout the day, but I just wanted to show you. Big shout out and thank you to Neil from No Legs, No Problem TV. This is great.